So do you guys want to go? No, wait. I'll rent the bus. Abang sa, how do you call the bus? Kaushon. And Sabado, Ato to the swimming pool. We're gonna go Saturday. Let's get down now. This Saturday. Tomorrow. Oh, but we have to rent a bus. Can we rent a bus tonight? If we can get the bus, we'll go. We better go tonight. We better go now and rent the bus. Huh? Next Saturday? Oh, she said next Saturday. Next Saturday. Next Saturday, for sure.
The other mother is no food, but she said, some mother, you got to buy food for her.
We'll bring food. We'll bring food. Yeah, fence it. Micah, you're happy to go to the swimming pool?
Yes.
Are you happy to go to the swimming pool, Juby?
Yes.
Are you happy, Catherine? Oh, there's one real happy back there. That's a big kid back there. Bata Dako. Tell him. Thank you, Jesus, for the bus ride. Or the swimming pool. Thank you, Jesus, for the swimming trip.